Painting is one of those skills of mine that you can wake me up from sleep at any time and I will deliver my best. I was taken to this apartment and was shown how water has dealt with the room, and the way they plastered it everywhere was with holes and a lot of bad things. You can see down here water spoil it, moisture peeling out the plastering. The ceiling was leaking, so I got to, okay, let me start with this other room. This one was painted, but you can see the downside was peeling, so I have to scrape it after I've prescribed my materials for them, and they gave me money to buy it. So I come and mix them together and scrape it. This will prevent it ever peeling again and water ever affecting this room again. So I'm done with my screening for this, sealing all the holes, touching all the affected part, painting the ceiling. You can see it is ready for priming now. And you come to this other room, has not been painted before, but you can see I'm done painting it. So I've given it all the touches that I needed to, and you can see how it transformed into a beautiful living room. I couldn't wait for it to dry because I was done with my job. If I wait for it to dry, it will be more beautiful than this when all the colors have dried and everything will blend. Even with this is coming out. So this is the other room that was never painted before. So let us see the other room. This one is the pink room, okay? So I practically transformed everything and it looked good. Please contact us for any painting services.